Welcome back to Coffee and Clicks. I'm Brian from SoFlo Sites, and if you've been following along, we've talked about getting clicks, converting customers, and keeping them coming back. But there's one ingredient that ties it all together: trust. And Google actually has a recipe for it. It's called EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Today, we're breaking down what that means and how you can build it right into your website. EEAT isn't just SEO jargon. It's how Google evaluates whether your site deserves to rank well. Experience. Have you actually done what you're talking about? Expertise. Do you show real knowledge in your field? Authoritativeness. Do others recognize you as a reliable source? And trustworthiness. Do visitors feel safe and confident doing business with you? When your site demonstrates all four, you're not just building SEO value, you're building customer confidence. Here's how you bring EEAT to life. Add authentic photos and real examples of your work. Include bios that highlight your team's experience and certifications. Publish educational blog posts or guides that show your expertise. Collect and display testimonials or case studies from happy clients. And make sure your contact info and policies are clear and transparent. Every one of these builds credibility with Google and your audience. Design also plays a huge role in trust. Think about it. If your site loads slowly, looks outdated, or has broken links, visitors bounce before they ever see your value. Professional design, consistent branding, and clear messaging all say, we're legitimate and you can trust us. That's why EEAT isn't just about content, it's about your entire online presence. So if your website isn't converting like it should, the problem might not be traffic. It might be trust. At SoFlo Sites, we specialize in building websites that look great and prove your expertise, experience, and credibility to customers and to Google. Visit SoFloSites.com to see how we can help your business build authority online. Until next time, keep your coffee hot and your content credible. This is Brian signing off from Coffee and Clicks.